The bow drill is one of the most known and common techniques to start a survivor fire with friction. For a bow drill we need knowledge and training, the right wood for board base to create the ember, a stick for spindle, a stick and a cord for the bow, and a piece of wood for handle. Because the handle is a little bit tricky, the friction blocks the spindle to rotate and it's difficult to keep balance, so many people have already ready a bow drill handle. Like for example, some knives have a groove on, or like Felix Himmler had a bow drill handle on his Swiss Army knife. My scenario is to use only your Swiss Army knife to make a bow drill and use your Swiss Army knife as a handle, without to need anything else. But because we are in lockdown, I can't go to the forest to collect the right woods to show you step by steps how to make a bow drill to start a fire, and I'm sorry about this. I hope that you understand. So I want to show you how to use your Swiss Army knife as a bow drill handle in case that you need to start a survival fire. You can find thousands of videos in YouTube how to create fire with a bow drill. So the point of this video today is the handle, how to use your Swiss Army knife as a bow drill handle. First, take a piece of wood to fit on your hand. The wood size must be a little bit bigger than your Swiss Army knife, and the diameter of the wood must be a little bit bigger than the flat screwdriver of your Swiss Army knife. Make flat the one side of the wood. And after, make flat one more side. The second side must touch the first side. So here or here, not in the opposite side. Now make a hole at this point all the way down. Now drill one more hole cross vertical through to the first hole, like this. First hole, second hole. First, and here the second one. The second hole must through to the first hole. Now open the diameter of the two holes. One must have the shape of the flat head screwdriver. To make a hole with the shape of the flathead screwdriver, you can use the awl to open the hole like this. The second hole must has the shape of the spindle to fit in the handle as well. When the hole has the spindle shape and size, the handle is ready. Take the head flat screwdriver and place it into the hole with the shape of the screwdriver, and keep tight the wood and your Swiss Army knife in your hand. Then grab the spindle tip and place it into the hole with the shape of the spindle. With this idea, the spindle tip touches the steel, not the wood, when it rotates. This gives a smooth and nice balance without sticking rotation. If you use the basic handle technique, the wood contact wood and the friction sticks the rotation. Also burns the wood and it is easy to destroy the handle. With this idea, you don't have any of these problems. The rotate it's perfect without any stuck or burn. As you can see, the Swiss Army knife bowl drill handle, it works very well. What do you think about?